Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your watch is charged and unlocked, because low power can block changes. Once paired and nearby, open the watch menu or long press the current face to enter the watch face or display settings. That's where you change layout, brightness, and sleep behavior. You do this now so you avoid wasted steps later. Next, pick the face or display option you want to edit. This starts the visible customization process. Once done selecting a template, customize the face's details to suit your needs. Change complications to show steps, battery, or calendar because those give you quick info. Make color and contrast adjustments for readability in sunlight, and use the crown or drag handles to resize items so they don't overlap. If the watch app offers advanced settings, open the companion app on your phone to set themes, fonts, or widget order. To finish, tap Apply or Save and exit back to the main screen so you can verify the new display appears. You want to confirm visibility in bright and dim light. Test shortcuts and complication data to ensure they update correctly. If something goes wrong, try restarting the watch and phone, check for firmware and app updates, and make sure Bluetooth is connected. If problems persist, repair the devices. That often clears sync or display glitches and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.